guys, welcome back to our channel Trendy Unboxing. Today I am going to review Sesa Herbal Hair Oil. I have been using this product for the last 1 month. You guys already know that so far I have used so many hair oils for my hair like Parachute, Vatika hair oil and so on. But there is something about this product which I like. Maybe its ingredient and lots more things. Product is processed by Ayurvedic Shirpak Vidhi. It's 100% herbal plus no mineral oil plus no chemicals. One more thing guys, most of the people they do have baby hair on the front part of the hair and it's very difficult to grow these baby hairs. But trust me guys, once you start applying this hair oil to your baby hairs, automatically your baby hair will start growing. Now let's see what is there on the right side of the product. They have even mentioned that Sesa improves blood circulation to follicles, protects scalp and hair shift from seborrheic dermatitis, nourishes hair root and scalp through vital vitamins, also protect against damage due to stress or pollution, prevents bacterial and fungal infection of scalp. Even they have given this information in Hindi, and the best thing is that it's an Indian product. So they have mentioned made in Bharat. On the back side of the product, they have given that this oil is enriched with milk and 5 essential oils and 18 herbs. Shirpak Vidhi helps to remove infections and gives nourishment to scalp and roots. If you have extreme dandruff problem, then trust me guys, just apply this hair oil to your hair and keep it overnight, and next day just wash it off using mild shampoo and conditioner. If you are suffering from hair fall issues, then do apply this hair oil at least twice in a week and see the reduction of hair fall in a week. If you want to know which are the 18 herbs they have used in this oil, then please pause this video and read out the names of Ayurvedic herbs they have used in this oil. They have mentioned that net quantity of this oil is 100 ml and expiry date is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Down, they have given the manufacturing date of this product is June 2019 and the cost of this product is 140 rupees. As I mentioned earlier that this is manufactured in India itself by Sesa Care Private Limited, and they have even mentioned their email ID. This oil is 100% natural and it's GMP certified plant. Now let's open the packaging and let's see how this product is from inside. This oil comes in a white plastic bottle with a round maroon cap. The Ayurvedic herbs which they have mentioned on the packaging of the product, same things they have given on the packaging of the bottle. Sesa hair oil is lightly green in color. Now let's open and see. You can see that this bottle is almost empty but little bit oil is remaining. This oil is green in color. Two things that impressed me most about this product is the lady who is with her long hairs, and secondly, this oil is herbal and natural. The ingredients used in this oils are herbal and natural. The ingredients this oil contains are well known to darken the hair, makes your hair grow thicker and also makes them softer. You all guys know that whenever you face hair fall and every strand that falls make you cry. As I said that I have been using this oil for 1 month, and in that one face hair fall and every strand that falls make you cry. As I said that I have been using this oil for 1 month, and in that 1 month it really reduced my hair fall. Whenever you are oiling your hair, just use these fingertips and massage your hair, and massage your scalp with the help of these fingertips. It is going to help in blood circulation. Head massaging is very important in blood circulation. Pros of this product: affordable, no harmful chemical, available at online as well as offline stores, cures your 80% of the dandruff issues in one wash only. It's an Ayurvedic product. Cons of the product: strong smell. So, this was the review of the product. If you like this review, then don't forget to appreciate our efforts by clicking on subscribe button, and do share this video with your friends.